If you have ever called yourself lazy or unmotivated or set a goal and failed, you might not be lacking in willpower or even in energy. You might just not be using the right motivation. So in this video, I'll be diving into human design motivation, more specifically, this motivation. There are 6 unique types of motivation, and you therefore have a unique way of approaching discipline. The other videos in this motivation series can be found through the description below. And if you have no idea what human design is or what your human design motivation is, then check the comments below. Now let's break this one down so you can stop forcing yourself into systems that just don't fit you and finally reach your goals. When you have desire motivation, your habits and your discipline come from the desire to understand and master something and to achieve something. So this also means that you love to track your wins, and therefore a great way for you to have discipline and habits that stick over time sustainably is to have some form of tracker that allows you to track your progress even before you hit your goals. You will, but even when you haven't hit them yet, you can see how far you've come. Especially since it wouldn't be surprising if you keep raising the bar of your goal and just placing it further and further and further ahead. So having a tracker allows you to not just stay motivated along the way, but also to celebrate yourself along the way. This is so important for your body to not just move past the win and move on, but to take a moment and let your body, your actions, your effort really feel seen and validated. This also allows you to prove yourself to yourself, to see how capable you are, how much you have grown, and how you really are mastering your chosen field, right? You could be mastering your workout regime, you could be mastering your studies or anything in your job. Whatever that is, this approach is going to keep your habits and your discipline alive. Now, with every motivation in human design, there's an opposite that you will kind of slip into when you are out of alignment, when you are working against what is best for your body. And for you, this is innocence motivation. This is where you stop acting because you don't really see the point in why you are doing something. So you don't care or want to be responsible for the outcome, any outcome, which results in not having any motivation because there's no desired achievement attached to the actions. You might also think that what you do doesn't matter. And this is easy for me to say, but I really need you to hear this. It is so important for you to step fully into the knowing that what you do truly does matter. Look, your desired achievements, they're not an accident. Nothing that you want is an accident. Those are signs of what is meant for you. And that achievement and the actions you take, therefore, truly matter, not just to yourself, but also to the people around you. Even if they never realize it, what you do has a ripple effect. It matters. You also want to make sure that the outcome of the actions that you're taking is something that excites you. Because if you don't see that clear goal that you're excited by, then you're not going to have the motivation or the discipline to form the habits that you want or think that you want. Because if you are trying to create habits to achieve something that someone else wants you to achieve, that's not going to work in the long run. The goal that is attached needs to be something that excites you. Here's what's important for all of us. You are not meant to go about life in the same way as everybody else. You can take inspiration from the things you see people do, but just don't expect your way to be the same as their way. Don't expect your body to work the same way as theirs does. Not physically, not energetically, maybe not at all. And that's okay. So now that you understand how your body uniquely motivates itself, you can apply this to every part of your life. This is how your body creates the energy that you need in order to get tasks done and work towards your goals. And in a way that brings you joy instead of burning you out along the way. So tell me in the comments, are you currently living in alignment with your motivation, or are you living in the opposite? Tell me below and I'll talk to you soon.